Friends, I'm Arjun Reddy. I'm studying 3rd standard. Today, I will show you how to set up Python and run simple program to print hello world. To run Python program, we need Python compiler. We can get Python compiler in two ways. First way is download and install Python in your computer. Second way is we can use online compiler from website like REPL-IT. I will show you the simplest way without installing anything. That is second way. Let's see how to use online Python compiler. Let's go to Google and type Python online compiler. Click here Google search and go a little down. You can see over here REPL-IT. Now I enter the REPL-IT. Now I'm writing print hello world. Over here. Now I'm running it. There you see here hello world. Thank you. That is all for this video. Bye. Let's go. See me at the next video. Bye.